Clear a document feeder paper jam for the HP OfficeJet Pro 8120, 8130, 9110, 9120, and 9130 all-in-one printer series. If you are printing using the document feeder and the printer stops feeding pages and a document feeder jam error message displays, follow these steps to clear the jam. This video covers jammed paper-related issues. If your document feeder is producing misaligned or skewed copies and scans, make sure that the side guides are adjusted to align the paper before your next copy or scan job. Step 1. Remove jammed paper from the document feeder. Lift the document feeder cover. Using two hands, gently pull any jammed paper out of the rollers. Close the cover of the document feeder until it snaps into place. Lift the document feeder tray. Using two hands, gently remove any jammed paper under the tray. Close the document feeder tray. Step 2. Clean the paper feed rollers. Dust, paper fiber, and other debris might accumulate on the paper feed rollers and cause paper jams and paper feed issues. Clean the rollers to help prevent future paper jams. Gather the following items: a lint-free cloth or swab, and distilled, filtered, or bottled water. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord and disconnect any other cables. Lightly dampen the cloth with the distilled or filtered water, and then squeeze any excess liquid from the cloth. Remove all paper from the document feeder tray. Lift the document feeder cover. Gently clean the rollers by wiping them with the cloth. Rotate the rollers to clean the entire surface of each roller. Use the same method to clean the separator pad with the cloth. If the roller surface does not come clean with distilled water, a light amount of isopropyl alcohol can be used as an alternative. Wait 10 minutes for the rollers to dry completely. Lower the document feeder cover. Step 3. Reset the printer. Press the power button to turn off the printer. If the printer does not turn off, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Plug the power cord back into the power source. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Turn on the printer to complete the reset.